gonna take the steak out of mistake. So I'm gonna give you some pro hack tips to make sure that your beef is perfect. You're gonna take McCormick rosemary, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Why garlic powder? Because that way it doesn't burn in the pan, babe. So you put that on one side, flip it on over, and you're gonna put that McCormick salt, garlic, rosemary, and pepper on the other side. Your pan is on high heat. It's heating up with some oil. Once it's ready, put the steak away from you in the pan. Once it's done, you're gonna flip it over. Oh yeah, that looks great. And then you're gonna pop it in the oven for 4 to 6 minutes at 350 degrees, so that way it cooks nice and evenly in the center, and you get that beautiful pink finish all the way through. Okay, so your steak's now gonna rest, and with this hot pan, you're gonna take your drinking wine. If it's not good enough to drink, it is not good enough to cook with. Don't skimp. You're gonna put a little into the pan. Perfect. And then some butter, like a tablespoon. This is gonna reduce down really quick, which is exactly what you want. Oh yeah. Oh, heaven. Yes. And then you just pour that right on top of your steak. Make no mistakes about it, that is beef perfection.